Welcome to the breathtaking city where history meets modern charm. Welcome to Budapest. In this video, we are taking you on an unforgettable 3-day journey packed with stunning views, thermal baths, ruined bars, and all the hidden gems you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. All right, we're kicking things off at the historic Buda Castle. This UNESCO World Heritage site is more than just beautiful architecture. It's a gateway to Hungary's rich past. Next stop, a place that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale, Fisherman's Bastion. This neo-Gothic terrace was built in the late 19th century, not as a fortress, but as a panoramic viewpoint over the Danube. From here, you get hands down the best views of the city. Look at that Parliament building across the Danube. Fun fact, it's the third largest Parliament building in the world. Next to it, the Matthias Church is standing with that beautiful tiled roof, where every tile tells a story. Now, if you love views, Gellert Hill will blow you away. Come during sunset if you want the ultimate money shot. And finally, end your day one with a magical Danube River cruise. Budapest by night? Unbelievably stunning. Welcome to day 2, and we're starting with some grandeur. Heroes Square. This place is perfect for filming intros and soaking in Hungarian history. Next up, it's time to relax in Hungarian style at one of the thermal baths. Let's take a dip and maybe even challenge a local to a game of chess in the thermal waters. Now, this next stop is a powerful one, the Shoes on the Danube Memorial. These iron shoes represent the lives lost during World War II. We're now climbing to the top of St. Stephen's Basilica for an unbeatable 360-degree view of Budapest. And don't miss its ornate interiors. They're as grand as it gets. Speaking of unique, we're wrapping the day at Budapest's famous ruin bars. This one, Simple Kurt, started it all. Check out the quirky decor and grab yourself a drink. It's day 3, and we're starting with some Hungarian flavors at the Great Market Hall. From langos to paprika spices, this place is a feast for the senses. Now, we're in the Jewish Quarter exploring Europe's largest synagogue. It's a powerful piece of Budapest's history, and we highly recommend taking a moment to reflect here. Okay, time for a little luxury. Welcome to the New York Cafe, often called the most beautiful cafe in the world. The chandeliers, the gold detailing, the elegance. This place makes you feel like royalty while sipping your coffee. Now, let's go to a green oasis in the middle of the Danube, the Margaret Island. Perfect for relaxing, filming drone shots, and reflecting on everything we've explored. And we're wrapping up our Budapest adventure with a special treat. We're soaking in the Ruda's Thermal Baths rooftop pool. The panoramic views of Budapest's skyline from up here are unbeatable. It's the perfect mix of relaxation and stunning scenery. That's it for our epic 3-day adventure in Budapest. We hope you enjoyed the journey as much as we did. Let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit, or if you've been before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel adventures. Until next time, stay happy and keep traveling.